Hey guys, welcome back to my channel for another video. If you're new here, my name is Paige Sechler and today is part 2 of my room makeover video. So if you didn't see part 1, I posted it yesterday. Go check it out. It was like the total chaos of creating this space that I have here, from painting to building things. My husband is outside mowing. Fun. Honestly, I'm not a great vlogger, so I tried to share as much as I could, but it probably could have been better. So I will get better at sharing the journey with you guys. However, I thought it was too much in one video, so I wanted to break it up into 2 parts, but didn't want to keep you guys waiting too long, so I'm just uploading this one the next day. So what we're going to do today is I'm just going to show you everything. I have pretty well everything I want to put in this space. I think the only things I'm waiting for are new pillow shams and new sheets. And that's not supposed to come till next weekend, and I would like to get this video up sooner rather than later. So I'm just gonna film this now, show you guys what we're working with, and then we'll go from there. Okay, so we're gonna do this as a full walkthrough kind of video. So we're just gonna head out, open the door, and I'm gonna show you an overview, and then we'll kind of break everything down. Okay, so coming in, this is what you see first. I'm literally obsessed with this room. So off to the left side when you first walk in, we have full-length mirror in the desk. My vinyls I will have linked down below. They're not what I was expecting, but it is definitely the vibes. I still want to thrift some more and kind of fill in that space, but they're like just like bizarre things. And then this, my cousin Molly actually gave to me because she was getting rid of it. It was from IKEA, I think. So inside here, I'm gonna show you what we are working with. So in this first one, this is like all of my hair stuff, plus my makeup remover that doesn't fit, but like my texture spray, my hairspray, my Olaplex brush, hot tools, things like that. This is my bills and everything like that. Just a very like adulty drawer. This is where I keep like all of my stationery stuff, which my OCD is so satisfied. I just finished these sticky notes up, but I'm so satisfied with this drawer. This one is where I keep just kind of like my everyday tech stuff. A lot of this I will throw in my work bag with me, so just an extra iPad case that I switched out for when I don't like reading with this one on. My planner, my pens that I take with me, my notes, things like that. And then in this bottom one, I just keep all of my extra makeup stuff. This whole thing, like 3 drawers down, used to be full of makeup. I got rid of so much stuff. So this is very much condensed because I don't even wear that much makeup anymore. Then moving over, we have my desk. If you've been watching my channel for a long time, you know that this desk is from Big Lots. I got it in my very first apartment, and it's just made every move. Our rental home, this house, like she's a good solid desk, but it's from Big Lots. This mirror is also from Big Lots. It did not come obviously with these lights around it. Don't love the cord situation, but the lights are essential for getting ready, especially in a darker room, I said, but that's also from Big Lots. My chair's a gaming chair, which actually cracks me up, but it matches the room so nicely. Got it from Staples, I think, and I like that these go up and down, so that's cool. Makeup brushes, mirror. Shelves are from Lowe's. So this, my shelf situation, I love. If you don't know, I own a photography business, so I also collect vintage cameras, which I think is so cool. So that's kind of what we have going on up here. That plant in the top did die, so I need to replace that one. That was my grandpa's old camera. That one I thrifted from a yard sale. Okay, and then panning right over, I'm sorry, I know it's very like high contrast with like the bright outside and dark room. We have this little end table situation, which in part 1 you watched me paint and redesign, I guess is for lack of a better word. And then under here I keep my 2 Bibles and then my Bible study devotion that I've been doing. And then what is that, the Message Bible, just to help interpret anything, and then just books that I always keep there for decoration. Up here we have the bed. Oh, I thrifted this also, so I don't know where to get one like that. It used to be like wicker rattan situation. I got on Facebook Marketplace. Yeah. Then we have the bed and a Lola girl. Hi, Lois. Hi, Lola girl. What are you doing, huh? What are you doing? Oh, we also have a Luxie. Hi. Hi, little Lux. Oh, girls, Hi. Okay, see? Now I only have one hand. Okay, so bed, we do, they're so cute. We don't have it on a bed frame. I actually like how low it is. It's easy for the girls to get up and lay on, and I mean, if we have friends stay, this is the room they stay in, but 9 out of 10 times, it's the dogs that are on this bed, so. The comforter I have had for I don't know how long I've had that for, quite a few years. I am getting new bedding. I think I said that in the intro. It just didn't come yet, and I just didn't want to wait to film the video. Then we have the rest of these vinyls up the wall. I think I want to add some more, like as I keep like thrifting them, but I feel like it's a vibe right now. Also, I don't love the curtains, but I'm not buying new ones because I hate buying curtains. Right, we hate that. We hate buying new curtains, don't we? Okay, then panning from here, going over is where we have like the main filming situation, I would say, is what I'm gonna try to shoot for. I would like to get another plant that kind of hangs down maybe a little bit more, but we have this chair, which I repainted in my last vlog. Got a cute little pillow sham, little throw blanket. I also have another throw blanket and another pillow coming. They're not here yet, but then I have a clothing rack. As for what clothes are going to be on it, they'll be a little more cohesive to the color palette, but literally after I film this video, I'm filming a clothing haul for the second time because I wanted to refilm it in this room. So that's what we have going on there. Clothing rack is from Amazon too. All of these little baskets are from Target, and then my jewelry box on the top is also from Amazon. This chair was thrifted. The pillow sham was from Amazon. I think that's everything. Oh, I know what else I showed you guys. Okay, so then we have my closet, which in our 60s style ranch house, our closets aren't huge. You can see this is like low-key very much bowing. These are like my oversized like sleeping t-shirts. These are like my going like gym short t-shirts, long sleeve tees, and then these are all hoodies back through here. These are all hoodies. So that shelf was there when we bought the house, obviously. Then down here is what we redid. And back here I have little metal bins. It's too hard to see, honestly, it's so dark. Then this is like my underwear, bra, socks situation. I got these little guys from Amazon, and I keep my shorts in here. So these are all my gym shorts. These are like my jammies. And then this last one over here has my denim shorts in it. And then on the opposite side of this rack, this is my swimsuits and just some other like things, clothing and things. And then there you can kind of see. It's that metal rack that we put in that I showed you in the last vlog. But then I just have 4 stacks of pants. So like my leggings, my sweatpants, my jeans, and then my work pants. Honestly, should I have had this light on the whole time I was filming? This video. Thank you for watching. If you have any suggestions, recommendations, things that you think would really bring this space together, little pieces and things, definitely let me know down below, and let me know what your favorite part about the room is, because I think my favorite is like the office corner with the 3 vinyls going up the wall, but I want to know what you guys think is your favorite. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe down below, and then I will see you guys all next week. Mwah!